Welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast, and we're going to take a look. We're going to take a look at a big drum roll and fanfare moment for Blackpool. We're going to take a look at the news about the courts and the police station and the redevelopment of Blackpool Central site. So before we turn round, I'm just looking at that black cloud and hoping that we get this job done before the heavens open. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications, and don't forget to sign up for your email newsletter.
Hello, on camera.
Hello. I'm on camera, so I'll not say what I'm thinking. So as you can see, we're at, go on, I've gone blank, Chapel Street. Chapel Street. Doesn't the Stanley look nice? Trimmed up for Christmas. It looks lovely. It looks really nice. So this is the court building, just at the back of here, and this is the car park, the NCP car park. And on Friday the 11th of November, Michael Gove visited Blackpool, and he announced that 40 million was going to be granted to Blackpool for the demolition and relocation of the courts building. So currently Michael Gove is levelling up minister, and obviously Blackpool, this little bit of Blackpool is going to be levelled, pardon the pun. So the existing courts are going to be relocated to Devonshire Road, to the site of the old hospital. It's at the junction of Talbot Road, and that then enables the redevelopment of all of this area of Blackpool, because currently the courts are operating from this building, so until they move, bit stymied. So as you can see, work is well underway on the new car park, which is just starting to come into view. This is the other side of it from the other video about Blackpool Central that we've just made about the progress. So I'm not quite sure exactly what they're doing, but obviously these are the staircases for the new car park. So this is the enabling phase to give all the cars somewhere where they can actually park. And then all of this site is all going to be redeveloped for the Blackpool Central leisure development, which is exciting because it's a really big project. It's £300 million, and it's earmarked for an indoor theme park with underground coach station on this corner. So I'm going to take a very slow walk up these steps because we all know I'm not as fit as I ought to be. I'll be puffing and panting by the time I get to the top. So in years to come, this will be a new indoor leisure complex, according to their plans. All the information is online at liveblackpool.info. I'll put the links for it. I'll put the links for it underneath the video. Oh, my legs! I really need some exercise. That's a good view from up here. You see all across Central Pier. This is where Mr. Bergerman lives. What a good view. So Blackpool Police Court originally opened on the 5th of March 1886 at Abingdon Street, and it was known as Sessions House. So that was the first court. The first actual court was held on the 19th of May 1886. And this is Blackpool's third police station. The building at the back is the police station. The little spire just at the back of that, of course, is the tower. And it's the divisional headquarters for the police, as was. And it opened on the 19th of February 1971. Amazing. And the original plan was to include a town hall here, but funds were short, so they never actually got around to it. So it'll be a big improvement when this is all cleared out of the way, because I think you'll agree it's a bit shabby. it's not quite major tourist attraction land, is it? So we'll keep you posted as soon as the bulldozers show their face. I'm sure all the Blackpool vloggers will be descending en masse to capture it and to have a good look. We'll take you for a little quick look round the back, because the other side of it on Central Car Park is, well, even worse. And I'm sure you'll agree that it's time for it to all come down. Thought we'd include the view of the courts from this side. So this is Yeadon Way, where they've closed it off in order to be able to work, and this is the new multi-storey car park that they're building. And it's cracking on a pace. And of course now with the announcement that the courts can be developed and they can be relocated, it means that all this super duper leisure complex can motor on and get cracking. So this is the back of the courts building. That's the top of the police station, you can just see up there. And it's what you might call a bit shabby. Derelict, I think, might be a better way to describe it. It's definitely seen better days. It's definitely had enough, hasn't it? This has been a site for graffiti artists to practice their skills. And this is the court building up here. And the tower is the old police station, which has been empty for some time now. But I thought it worth just capturing the backside of it, as you might say, for posterity. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for your newsletter, and until next time, we'll see you again. Bye for now.